Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nick. Today we are doing Valrhona chocolate using the cocoa powder, the Caramelia chocolate and their praline. So if you want to see what we do with it, stick around and we'll show you. So Valrhona posted a recipe on Instagram of how to make this, I don't know, like spread. It's like a praline hazelnut almond spread, almost to better Nutella. And it was amazing. Tip tap top, I made this. That was me unclipping the whatever. I made this stuff and the smell is out this world and the taste is just incredible. I mean, we've eaten half this tub just on a spoon. And as I've got it all over my face, I thought we've got these ingredients that we bought using supporters funds on Ko-fi. Put a little link on screen here if you want to support the channel. Be really, really helpful. We bought the chocolate, the cocoa powder and the praline, and what we didn't use in making that spread, we thought we'd use in an ice cream. So we went all Valrhona and made a Valrhona chocolate base with the praline swirled throughout and Caramelia chocolate pieces in there as well. So how did we do it? So the actual ice cream base for this Valrhona spectacular, let's call it that, is quite simple. It starts with your milk as always, and to that we're going to add in our sucrose and our dextrose. Get those completely dissolved into your milk, and then when you're about 50 to 60 degrees, add in your cocoa powder and your milk powder, and then make sure they're completely homogenized. Take it off the heat, put it in a container, add in your cream, give it one final really good stir, and then pop it in a fridge to chill down for a few hours. Once it's completely chilled, you can take it out of the fridge, give it a final stir just to make sure it's ready to go, and then pop it in your machine to churn. Whilst it's churning, you're going to take your Caramelia chocolate, chop it up into nice small pieces, put it in a container because we're going to put that in the ice cream in a minute. There you can see we've got our tub of praline sitting ready on the side, and once your ice cream is ready and you're right at the last minute of churning, add in your Caramelia chocolate, and now we can start loading at the tub. So you're just going to take some of your ice cream, put it in a container and start swirling your praline throughout. Just load up the tubs completely, put them in the freezer to chill down for a few hours. Now this ice cream has been in the freezer for ages, probably what, close to 2 months by the time I got around to filming this part of the video. So I'm looking forward to trying it. Let's get some scooped up in a bowl, see what it ended up like. So it took some pretty strong old willpower not to dive in. I normally try a bit of the ice cream when it gets dished up, you know, even if it's just the base itself rather than the whole mix. But I didn't with this one, so really looking forward to this. It smells great. Let's see what it tastes like. Ooh, that's a good ice cream. Now, if you've ever used Valrhona cocoa before, you know it has a slightly different effect than most cocoa powders. It adds a fudginess. I don't know why. So it's quite unique, and it has this really strong, intense, but not overly bitter flavour, which is really nice. And that's what you've got here. You've got this very rich, decadent chocolate ice cream that's not so strong that it overtakes the flavours of everything else. You've got a small little texture change with the little pieces of the Caramelia chocolate in there, which is milk chocolate, 36%, but with this underlying caramel flavour to it. And then you've got this praline. Try and dig some out. It's kind of left a ribbon. You can't really see it. I'll just eat it. It's left this ribbon of nutty It's like super soft caramel. Such a nice flavour change to that rich chocolate ice cream. I mean, this is a pricey make. You know, this praline was £13 for 300 gram tub. You know, the chocolate I think was like 11 or 12 pounds. And this little 250 gram tub of cocoa powder is also around 10 to 12 pounds. You're obviously not using all of the ingredients in here, you're just using part of it, but you've still got to buy the ingredients anyway in the first place. So, but if you've got a nice evening meal or a dinner planned and you've got some chocolate ice cream fans, definitely try this one. I think you're going to please most people with this, even if they're not chocolate fans. You can't really not like this one. It's really, really good. So again, really thankful to our supporters on Ko-fi that enabled us to use and buy these ingredients when we ordinarily wouldn't be able to. Hopefully we've done them justice with creating this. And as always, thanks very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 70% of our watchers aren't subscribed. And we'll see you next week.